So Matthew Craig, who's an associate director from the World Economic Forum, will lead this conversation about inspiring a generation of entrepreneurs. Thank you. Back to you.
Thank you very much. If I could please, I'll let you sit just in the middle. Thank you. The MENA region has 28% youth unemployment, which is the highest in the world. How do you believe that government and business can best come together to solve this challenge?
So it can only be solved by government and business effectively. So the education system is built in general so that people graduate and work in the public sector. If you want people to work in the private sector, then you have to create the skill set that us in the private sector require. So critical thinking, solution mind, entrepreneurial mind, language skills, computer skills. There is that education gap. So we need to employ people for jobs. Not educate people for jobs, not educate people for the general use of education. The economy, people in general have no time to waste in just studying something that the market does not require. One is to bring in the private sector to participate in decision making on what we choose to teach our kids. And number two, to actually have the political will to get this curriculum and the education system and revamp it massively. We cannot be afraid politically from changing the education system, because that's the future generation and the generations after that who are going to be building a competitive economy in the region. That's the big challenge in my view. So 21st century skills for 21st century jobs in a partnership among the private sector and the public sector. So we need to educate people for the digital economy, and we need to do that very fast. The digital economy requires people that think solutions, people that have numeracy skills, people that have language skills, and people that have basic skills. If they decide to become an entrepreneur, they can hit the ground running and build the business and understand markets, understand business development, understand sales. These things are not introduced in our schools. I mean, you want people to grow and become salespeople, and nobody tells them what sales means. How do you develop a business? How do you actually sell a product? That is much more important than other things that we are taught in schools, and we have no memory of it whatsoever. I mean, I don't remember anything I studied in school. Believe me, zero.
I'm sure you're speaking for all of us. What would you say, when you started at Aramex, for example, is the biggest challenge that you faced?
There is that challenge of actually building a cross-border company in the region. It took me 15 years to do that. Being able to build a team was a big problem for me, because again, being a startup was a big problem. People not believing that you're going to build a company that competes with DHL globally. So I mean, Arabs delivering packages on time, they don't go together.